So just doing a quick nighttime routine. I just got a shower, but I always have very clear skin, and I started wearing makeup more seriously going back to like 2015, 2016. So I make sure I'm extra taking care of my skin. So when I don't use my Mirror Pedestrian, I do use e.l.f. No lie, this new stuff, and I love this e.l.f. nourishing cream, nighttime nourishing cream. But this stuff, listen, I have combination oily skin, so I do use a lot of it in my T-zone area because this one is the matte oil control lotion. I just grabbed it out of my makeup bag because I do use it on my clients also when I do a moisturizer. But I do want to show my Kissed by K Cosmetics lip scrub. This is the Stardust one. It's one of my favorites. I use it every night and every morning. I do a lip scrub. I don't even put lip gloss on without a lip scrub. But before I get anything else started, I have to brush my teeth. I don't know other people, but ain't no way in the world. I do put a tablespoon, teaspoon, whatever you want to call it, let's start. If you see me, just use it. I swear, I love this scrub. This is Stardust, baby. You literally only need about a little bit. I did order some more disposable lip brushes, so I'll be using them soon. And I'm gonna regret doing this video in landscape mode. I swear, look at it, look. Yes, I am extra. I go around the whole perimeter of my lips and everything, like, I don't care. And I look just like my father. That's the whole purpose of knowing who your dad is. And I'll just remove the remainder. And then I'm left with some beautiful soft lips. I swear, that's the best thing ever. I love this company, I swear. Small black owned business. Look. Like, seriously, like, I really love this business. And it came in the way I actually need it. So this will be edited. And I'm kind of to that point where I don't want to do editing no more. Like, I want to just show the rawness in my life and the videos. But, you know, so my first part, I'm going to wash my face. And I do like to use my eyelash shampoo to clean off the my eyelashes, of course. And plus, I've been wanting to show you guys for the longest because I haven't had like a chance to hit any clients thanks to COVID-19. Everyone, please be safe. Remember to not take any clients. Not take any clients. And because I do use my lashes, like I wear my lashes, if not every day, every other day. I'm gonna let this soak off my face before I go ahead and do a final rinse. But I do want to show you guys. This is my lash bath. And I got my cotton circle. And it tells you literally you shake well before use. Apply 1 pump. Once you get clear, apply 1 pump to your lashes directly onto a closed eyelid. So I'm literally gonna do 1 lash at a time. I had to get that before I do it. My cotton rounds. So I'm gonna start here and I'm gonna use my brush, clean my eyelashes really good, and then I'm gonna rinse it off with a clean, so all my whole pack is clean, cotton round. With my scrub pad that I use for my brushes. I have 2, one specifically for face products and one specifically for my makeup brushes. And we're gonna go ahead and take some lukewarm water and then wash all the wash off my face. Lip scrub, like just the beads from it, it would just get it all off. And I take a clean round and just clean my eyes out. And I typically let my face air dry, but because of the video purposes, I'm trying to speed everything up. So we're going to go ahead and take this round and just try to make sure that we drying it semi. I still like to keep it very moist, it's not dripping. Like, so of course damp, like you would do your beauty blend sponge. And just remember, again, if you had sensitive skin or anything and allergic reactions to my lash shampoo, please discontinue charcoal clay that goes around my T-zones. Especially in the areas whether it's nighttime or not, I still don't want to This is so good. I'd use this before I did my makeup also. I was going to do a tutorial tonight, but I'm like, you know what? Not tonight, Chrissy. Not tonight. No, in the morning I may, just because I need to make more content. In this quarantine, it really is giving everyone a lot of time to really get it together and just be able to do so much more. I'm usually in the house when I'm not at work or in school with my family, so it doesn't really bother me so much. I'm happy that I get to be a germaphobe in public without criticism. Let's make that clear, without criticism. Mother of 3 with a full-time job. I am a essential worker because I am an officer, and I'm in school. We're doing online classes right now. I do go to fall middle school, but for the most part, you know, just gotta take care of ourselves. Make sure that you're doing everything you're supposed to be doing. Make sure that you're good. At the end of the day, you only got one body, 1 you. If there's other ladies that have more 1 you, I don't need one, honestly. So, there you have it. Like I said, I brush my teeth first with baking soda, then I add my optic white. And then I do my lip scrub with my Kiss by K Cosmetics. Listen, I got every scrub she got, including her lip glosses. I use my own lash shampoo to wash my lashes with. The brushes, they come in a kit. I got the lash mascara wine, everything. Like, I do exfoliate. You see me about to clean the brush. I do, listen, everything is clean, very sanitary. And again, I moisturize with my night moisturizers. This is not night one, can be used for day and night, but this is a nourishing cream for nighttime by e.l.f. and I'm telling you, it really, really works. And it's very affordable. I usually use my Mario Badescu. They pronounced it wrong. Price wise, it's great. I love the cucumber scent, but again, affordable. Truly, truly, truly worth it. My skin be feeling so moisturized. Like, I don't wake up feeling dry. Just like, that's always, I have very, very dry skin. Like I said, I have oily combination, but all over moisturizing my whole body wise, dry. So, have a good night.